Question 26. Kim is building a path around a garden at the back of a house as shown. The path is 0.5 meters wide. Part A. Find the area of the path. The area of the path is the difference between the area of the large rectangle and the area of the small rectangle which represents the garden. Now the dimensions of the large rectangle is 3 meters by 8 meters. The dimensions of the garden, when taking into account the width of the path, so subtracting the width of the path from the dimensions of the large rectangle, that gives us the dimensions of the garden 2.5 meters by 7 meters. So the difference between these two areas, the area of the large rectangle and the area of the small rectangle, will give us the area of the path. So showing that here as part of the solution, we have path area is equal to 3 times 8, which is the area of the large rectangle, minus 2.5 times 7, which is the area of the small rectangle, and that equals 6.5. Therefore, the area of the path is 6.5 square meters. Part B. Kim is mixing some concrete for the path. The concrete mix is made up of crushed rock, sand and cement in the ratio of 4 to 2 to 1 by weight. Kim needs 2.1 tons of concrete mix in the correct ratio. Calculate how many 15 kilogram bags of cement Kim needs to buy. Working backwards, the question is asking for how many 15 kilogram bags of cement are needed to make 2.1 tons of concrete mix. So our first issue are these different units of measure for weight or mass. So the first thing I did was to convert 2.1 tons into kilograms. That way I'm comparing kilograms with kilograms. The next step is to find out the number of parts in this ratio. So we have the ratio here, 4 to 2 to 1, which is rock to sand to cement. So 4 plus 2 plus 1 gives us 7 parts, and those 7 parts has a weight of 2,100 kilograms. So we need to find the weight of one part in this ratio. And we do that by taking the total weight, dividing that by the total number of parts in this ratio. So 2,100 divided by 7 gives us 300 kilograms. And it just so happens that one part in this ratio represents the amount of cement or the weight of cement needed. So 300 kilograms of cement are required. So to find the number of cement bags needed, given that each bag is 15 kilograms in weight, we take the total weight of cement needed, divide that by the weight per bag. So 300 divided by 15 equals 20. So therefore 20 cement bags are needed for this concrete mix.